Okay, so I know it's been like 2 weeks since I posted the last video where I was moving in, and so now here comes the long-awaited dorm room tour. So I added a couple things, as you can see, so that the top finally looks like how I wanted. And guys, honestly, like I come into my dorm and I feel good to like lay down, and I'm a big advocate of like the belief that you should really make a place your own, your space your own, so that you feel comfortable in it. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get into this video. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. The dorm is pretty dark. I just mopped and everything today. If you know me, you know I'm a neat freak, so I usually like to have my stuff really clean, and if not, I will like stress clean it. But anyway, so we're gonna start. Actually, let me start outside the door. So here's my door. Okay. Picture of me, my besties, door decorations, my name, my Krabby Patty, my family, little me. And then from the outside, this is what my dorm looks like when you first walk in. You got some stuff in the corner. You guys, everything, it's so like moist and everything in this dorm that nothing stays up. Like, so you see how my pictures are like folded? I hate that, but it's fine. So anyway, let me get on to the tour. So you come over here, my towels are right here. Okay, let me turn on the light actually. No, I have it so dark. My towels are right here. I hang my keys right there. And here's my dishes. So I just washed these, that's why they're still in there, but usually I would put them over there. And then I have my paper towels. I have my microwave, my freezer. Just got some veggie food and some strawberry banana, some gluten-free corn dogs for my friend. And then yeah, some salads, some fake meat, milk and whatnot. And here's my trash can. And over here we have the very first closet. So I went to Walmart and got these fake flowers. I think that was like $3. That was like $3 too. And then I have LED candles up because we can't have real candles in here. And then I have a string light attached that goes all the way over there. But okay, so behind this curtain right here, I just used like a tension rod. We have all my jackets, we have files, I have my Swiffer and my broom back there. Then I have more bins. And this, you guys, I was gonna hang this on the door, but like it just would not stay up, so yeah. Then I have the posters. Yeah, my posters are already coming down, so I'm gonna need to go put this back up. And a lot of the jellyfish are coming down because of like the humidity. Then I have some trash bags, my Swiffer stuff. Oh, and then up top I have my like sports bags and heating pads and my tripods and whatnot. So that's all that's in this closet. And then yeah, here's how that looks standing back. And then you come over here, and I made this desk, since it's just me in this room, I made this desk into like a vanity makeup area. So I have my wig head, like my makeup drawers, my DIY, I can't stand myself, my dip nail kit thingy, my fan, and then my mirror. And then I put one of these like seat things on there because guys, when you take this off, like that's so uncomfortable and just not cute. So it doesn't really match. But then I have like my makeup wipes and everything in there. And then so I got this from Walmart. I think it was like $4, but the desks before this were like, it just looked really gross, so I just wanted that on there, so Nick helped to put that on there. And then I have these bins. I think I got these from Target for, it couldn't have been more than $5 because I would not have spent more than $5 on those. But these are my face masks, all of my like hair ties and stuff, my edge control brush. Then I have all my nail stuff, which don't even come for me, it looks messy right now. Then here I have my hair products, shampoo, conditioner, all that. And then here I have my hair dryer, so that's what I'm gonna use if I ever do like a deep conditioning treatment or anything. And then here I have my perfumes. You guys, like I just went to Bath and Body Works. This smell, 10 out of 10. Like I'm so impressed. And then I got peony, perfect peony, and rose. And then if I'm not using those, I just get body oils. So this is my favorite, my go-to, Fire and Ice. Sorry if you can see, Fire and Ice. And then I also get Amber Romance because I like rich smells that like people are like, wow, you smell really good today, but it's not like overpowering. So that's this side. Let me back up so you can see. That's what this part looks like. And then that's just my air purifier because once again, with like all the mildewy mold like of an old building, it's kind of a necessity. And then the cord that you see running through is for my refrigerator. Don't worry, it's safe, guys. My dad told me it was safe. And then here's me. So this is like my medicine cabinet area. there's a little light. I'm not gonna turn that on because I'm too lazy. But I have all of my like necessities that I'm not gonna put in my shower caddy in there. And then I also have like medicine. And then here I have jewelry and lip moisturizer and like AirPods and stuff. I don't know why that's in there. Fake AirPods, I mean. And then my sunglasses and some bobby pins in there. And then I always keep hand sanitizer right here. And I usually, if I'm done, I put my mask here, but for some reason it's over here. Anyway, I put my mask here if I'm done for the day. And then my scents, and I usually charge my phone over there if I'm up and about. And then this drawer has like underwear and whatnot. This one has sports bras. This one has t-shirts. This one has like my skimpy little shirts and tank tops. This is for jeans. And I call this one my fancy pants drawer. Or my shorts, like my pajama pants drawer. And then that's all for this side. So that's how that looks. I got these same flowers from Walmart, and that's supposed to be like an aromatherapy type thing. And then there's another one of those LED candles. And then yeah, that's all for this side. So then you come over here, and I always leave my book bag over here. I'm big on don't put your book bag anywhere by your bed, just in case like bed bugs or like wherever you've been. But yeah, so my book bag's over here, and then the same cushion thing in here. And then I just have my planner stickers. You guys, planner stickers, 10 out of 10. I 100% recommend these. And then my earbuds and my stuff for school. And then I have my planner and stuff out because I was doing some work. So yeah, which I know is surprising, me doing work. But then I have my Brita filter. I have no idea where else would be like a better place to put it, because like I don't know where I would put it. But and then I just have my lamp, stapler, coins, and the whatnots, just school supplies and whatnot. And then it's the same marble-ish stuff on this desk, and it's also on here too. And then you come up, and I have my purses, and then I have like all of my brushes and curling wands, straighteners in there. What's it called? Oh, I can't remember. Hot comb. My hot comb's in there too. And then here I have like all my weave, wigs, everything in there. And then here I have some snacks. So you know the vibes. I've got Cheez-Its, Dino oatmeal, because that's the only oatmeal I can stomach. I'm a child. Some of those little like dinosaur eggs in there. Anyway, and then I have popcorn in like the tiny bags, like the mini bags, to try to keep myself healthy-ish. And then I have Life cereal, Fruit Loops. I had Reese's Cups, but your girl was eating them. And then I have popcorn salt, Nature Valley bars, more Cheez-Its, popcorn butter, and then my whey protein and some sugar and salt. I had taco seasoning, but I ate that. And then I have this. This is one of my most favorite gifts, even though as y'all can see it's a little bit dirty right now. But Raina got me this for Christmas one year, and I just love it so much because like who even thinks to do something like that? It's just so cute. And yeah, and then we have the same thing over there on this side with the lights and everything. And then there's some dangling down in front of the mirror. And yeah, that's how the top part looks. And then you have the mirror. So it's just me looking ugly as always. Nick put it cat corner, which I think it actually kind of looks better. But I didn't know what to do with these stools because like my last dorm I had a little living room, but I don't this year. So anyway, me rambling. So I have a blanket up top in this closet, and then my iron, and then extra towels. And then I have like all my cutesy tops and my jumpsuits over there. And then I keep my laundry basket here. I just did my laundry this morning, so that's like only a couple things in there. And then I have my detergent in here, my Downy, and then I think one water bottle left in there. Then I have my workout stuff in here too. So I have like my, it's sort of like a, whatever that thing is called, that little waist belt thingy. And then I have like a waist trainer-ish thing, some loop bands, my yoga mat, the little weights for around your ankle, and some dumbbells. So yeah, that's all that's in this closet. That's how it looks. And I'm gonna step back so you guys can get a look for like how everything looks from the side. And then yeah, if this could, I really want to like cut this or something because it's literally just like dragging on the ground. I kind of hate it. But yeah, so then there's this again. And then you have my window. Oh, there's a person right there. She doesn't see me. Then you have my window, and I have these lights stringed up. You can't really see them right now because my window's open. But here, let me close it so you guys can see what it looks like. Maybe if that'll work. Yeah, so then I have these little lights hung up on my curtains. They're battery powered. And then I just have my water right there and my AC. And then I got these two rugs from Walmart. They're not showing up as pink as they actually are on the camera, but they're pretty pink. So yeah, those were like 30 bucks. I regret paying 30 bucks, not gonna lie. But anyway, and then I have matching pink. If you guys couldn't tell what my favorite color was, like I'm gonna tell you now, it's pink. I need pink everything. in my room. So yeah, but anyway, so then I just got this body pillow. Some of this stuff, a lot of it I had last year, but so this is just my bed. And then guys, this room has so much storage, but maybe it's just because it's like only me. But so under here I've got all my shoes and whatnot, and then ooh, that will close. And then under here I've got my toiletries, more of them. And then, oh, this is just like a scent pack, but it kind of spilled, but ignore that. And then I have like all my books for school, my journals, and other books that I plan on reading, but who knows if I'm gonna read them. The only bad thing is that there's no outlet on this side, which is where like I put my head to sleep. So I kind of have to just vibe with that. And then I have my TV. Y'all, I put this one on, so don't even look. Nick put the other ones on, but this looks so bad. So anyway, then I have like all my Tupperware and stuff up top. And then I have all of my cleaning supplies and stuff on the bottom, and then my trash can. And I have another trash can over there because like that's for food and whatnot, and this is for miscellaneous items because I don't believe that food should be anywhere near your bed because I'm not trying to get bugs in my bed. So yes. And then over here we just have pictures and stuff on the walls, my family on this side. And then I was gonna get one of those like love signs or something to put somewhere over here from Five Below or something, but it just hasn't been in the budget so far. So anyway, but yeah, it's just looking a little bare right now. And then I might put up more photos, but that's the family wall. And then here's my tapestry. Let me see how far I can back up. But yeah, here's my tapestry. It was so hard to hang it up with anything because like I said, it's so moist in here. And then also it's just like the brick wall isn't very good, so yeah. And then I just have my HDMI right there. And then here's this. So then you come over here and I have like the pictures of all of my friends and whatnot. And yeah. If you're on the wall, I love you. If you're not on the wall, it's because I haven't put up the rest of my photos yet, so please don't come for me. But yeah, so I have my pillows and stuff. This was gonna be my study bed, but it's really just like the bed that all guests sit on, I guess. And then in this one I have, you already know, a bunch of clothes. So I have like all my pants and stuff in here, like exercise pants. Don't come for me for not folding it, I'm lazy. And then in this one I have like shorts and exercise shirts in this drawer. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, I'm starting to smell the scent that I put up and I'm kind of excited. But I'm just gonna give you an overall tour. It looks so much better with the lights off too, because it's just so pretty. And like who wouldn't want to like sleep in here? I don't know. Well, I'm not saying you'd want to sleep in here, but it's literally, it's so nice. Like I can't even explain how excited I get to come sleep. It's too excited because then I don't get my work done. But yeah. So that is all for today's video. Once again, thank you so much for watching.